Happy Friday, all. It's the 30th of August, 2019. We're going to jump into these charts before the weekend. Bitcoin currently holding steady at 9,500 region with a bit of a drop yesterday. Interesting times. Let's see what it could do over the weekend. But I want to start with that Bitcoin thought-provoking statement. Why Bitcoin? Growing up, you believe banks provide a service to the people. Then you realize they don't so much provide services as they sell products. They're a business that sells money. They print it for a profit to customers that have no other choice. Bitcoin changes that. Now that statement is very pivotal with what's happening in current economic times. All around the world, that is, not just in your country where you're watching this from. It's very interesting times to see where the banking system is going and how they're moving and adapting. With the likes of internet and social media, the power to the people is really coming back and we're standing up. And diving into the Bitcoin dominance, let's take a look at that. Currently we're holding at 69% dominance, like I always say, until those other cryptos, those altcoins, all those shitcoins come up to play the game and really challenge Bitcoin. There's no point talking about all those other 15 to 200 cryptos battling out that 30% dominance. Why bother? Days until halving, we have 261. Mining, we're at 85.26%. So 17,900,000 have been mined out of that possible 21 million capacity look to be mined by the year 2140. That means total left to mine until that time is over 3 million. Current price, hard right edge of the screen there, we're hovering at 9,527. And we've had a daily change of minus 2.53%. Market cap, how's that worked out? That's that good old price times by the Bitcoin that's been mined. We're currently at 169 billion. World population at this point in time and growing is at 7.7 billion. I like to put that there because I think everyone should be holding Bitcoin. And if they were equal share, how much would that be? This is showing you that supply and demand comes into play and you want to grab it as a source of wealth, just like that gold, especially with these economic times coming up. Therefore, Bitcoin for everyone, they'd be holding 21.96 USD. On the monthly chart, we've seen that we've had a little downward push and we're still in this accumulation zone. So it's still good overall buying overall for the market still to go up. However, let's go into the daily and see where we're at right now. So we've got the daily chart up right now and we have had this downward move yesterday and now we're printing this. This is coming into the close right now and we'll see what happens. But we have formulated and broken through this double bottom here and we've now formulated one here. So if price does go up over the weekend, we have to break these levels to come back down plus these over here. What I do see in these charts is a bit of a trend line that may hold here. So I don't suspect price is going to come back and battle this 10.2 zone, this magnetic 10,000 whole number. I do think we're slightly heavy to the downside. And I'll just do this so you can see that maybe we will have a leg down here and then we've had a leg up. But maybe, potentially, for those traders out there, we could be having another leg down at this certain point. To do that, price would have to come down, break this 1, 2, double bottom, third, boom, come back, bounce off support and come back down. We could be forming a channel here also, guys. Price can depict that down here. If this happens and we see this price movement, it's going to be very interesting when we hit this 8750. Overall, I still think we're going up. However, we are depending on the world economics right now around the world, this is very interesting to see Bitcoin's price action. If we are coming into a recession, what do I think will happen? I do think it will dump before it does go up, just like gold in that respect. We are seeing some strength. However, anything can happen in this market, as we all know. And Bitcoin could, from this candle, come back up, retest, break, step up, break this resistance and come back into consolidation here. Time will tell over the weekend. I'm going to leave it there, but I'm seeing it more heavy to the downside. Now I'm going to go into some smaller time frames to check out what I see in the charts there. You have a great weekend, guys, and I'll be seeing you shortly. Bye. Lambo, baby.